never find me.
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel for another lab day episode. And first of all, I want to thank my bro Mike for sending me this amazing hoodies, and you know that I love to wear hoodies, bro, so thank you bro a lot. And guys, if you want to buy hoodies or t-shirts from Drone Supremacy, you can check out the link in description for his store, and he make awesome products, awesome tutorials, videos, so you can definitely check his channel too. On my channel there is no place for haters, we are just friends and sharing our passions. So thanks bro, and now let's start the tutorial. And for the last tutorials about my drone photography series, I want to show you how to export your photos from Lightroom to Instagram with the best quality as possible. So when you're done with your editing and ready to export your photo, all you need to do is going to File, Export. Here you can choose the folder where you want your photo to be sent. Here you can change the name of your photo. Then go down, check this option, resize to fit. If you want your picture at the full size, uncheck this option and just export. For Instagram it's different because the format is not the same. If you don't want Instagram to compress your picture, you need to change this for 180 and then the resolution to 72, and then you can export your picture and send it via AirDrop on Mac. With AirDrop you're not gonna lose any quality of your picture or of your video. I do the same for my video when I want to make a quick story for Instagram directly in Final Cut and then export it and send it to my phone. I use AirDrop always. So that's it guys, it was a really short tutorial, but now you know how to export your pictures for Instagram in high quality. And I see you next Wednesday for another tutorial video about how to be creative with your photo. I'm gonna show you some application on the phone that I use to be more creative with my photos. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for receive the notification when I put a new video. I wish you a great day, a great night. I don't know at what time you are watching this video, but I see you next Wednesday for another lab day episode.